Hey Billy, I checked our AI usage. The marketing team has 6 seats on ChatGPT and 3 on Claude.
Great. Democracy.
None of them describe the product the same way.
Brilliant. So we're a fintech platform, a productivity tool, and apparently, according to Greg, we're also a B2B lifestyle brand.
Greg said lifestyle brand?
A lifestyle brand.
Our ICP is on a slide deck from an offsite 8 months ago.
Is it a nice slide?
Lovely.
Great. Does anyone use it?
Of course not.
So it's art.
It's art.
Speaking of things that live in a fantasy world unrelated to reality, how's the updated campaign planning spreadsheet coming along?
I had to build it again from scratch after the budget cut.
From scratch?
From scratch. It's the same conversation with the CFO every time. Different quarter, slightly different numbers, same arguments, and the same face she makes.
The face?
The face.
What's the face? Oh, the face. I've seen that face. It's the...
Yeah, you've seen it. And HubSpot's been live for 18 months now.
How's it looking?
The data is a mess, and the AI agents are making decisions off of that mess.
So it's confidently wrong then?
It's very confidently wrong.
Amazing. So to summarize, our messaging changes depending on who's speaking to Claude. Our campaign planner is more of a guesstimate. And our HubSpot is making executive decisions based on data that was never actually correct.
That's about right.
So what if we fix all that?
With what? Hope?
I think I have a solution, a royal solution.
Go on.
1 queen for the messaging, 2 princes for the campaign planning, and 1 king to clean up HubSpot.
Milady, you're describing a monarchy.
I'm describing a functioning company.
Cool. Love that for us. So we're the envy of the marketing and RevOps world.
Oh, enough.
Fine.